Guys, this is Joyce and I am here just to do a unboxing of a product that I received today. It came in the mail today, but a few weeks ago I received a message from Amanda over at Your Creative Studios. I'll put a link to the Instagram page in the box below, and she asked me if I would be willing to try out some of their products. They are vintage products. They are just gorgeous, as you can kind of see some of it here. And I said, sure, why not? You know, I like vintage. I don't do a lot of vintage, but I do love the look. So this is their card. I couldn't find a YouTube channel, but there is an Instagram page, so I will show it to you, and I will put a link to their store. So stay tuned for that. First in the box were these gorgeous scissors. You know, I buy a lot of scissors, and I like the cute ones, but look how pretty those are, guys. Let's see if I can find something to cut. But they are cute and they do cut pretty well, and I think these would be great for fussy cutting. So, but look how pretty that is. That is a very pretty, like when you're doing sewing and needlepoint and stuff, and using these to clip your threads. So those. And then if you look at this packaging is really cute, and I think that it can be used on a project, because you could just cover up the words, and because it's just basically talking about the scissors. But this could be a really pretty tag. So I'm always like packaging. There was some washi tape, and I think that's really pretty, and it's got scissors and all kinds of sewing things on it. So I kind of think this is pretty much a sewing theme. There are some red rubber stamps, and that's an old-fashioned sewing machine, so I can't wait to play with that. There is also a tape measure, a bobbin, and a sewing machine bobbin. So those are all the stamps. There is this pad of labels, notepads and different things. So this one is a weekly, so there are a variety, and these are like coat checks. You know, when you go to restaurants and they give you a checklist or receipt or whatever, and you can make lists, which is cool. So I cannot wait to play with this and to do lists. So all kinds of there is a charm, which is a sewing machine, very cute. And here's some more washi, and that one is pretty. So that's a washi tape. That gives us two of those. But these papers, guys, let's pull this one open. I didn't want to open it. I just picked it up today. I went out for the post office. So these are the papers. I think they are just so cute, and they are different. Okay, so that's a dress form. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And this one has the scissors and a bobbin and a spool of thread. I love the papers. Let's see if I can't take it back some. And this is basically a sewing theme kit, and I am really excited to use this. Here is one with the sewing machine. I think these will make some really great cards. And then that's the last sheet. And there is also a package of ephemera. And this piece is a little thicker, so it's like a piece of chipboard, but it just says paper ephemera, Your Creative Studios. That could actually be used for a project. But the ephemera is the same, and okay, that is very, very cute. So this is like 3x4. and it's 2 of each. And these could actually be used for matting and then just do a sentiment on cards. And there's some plain ones. And then these are a little bigger, so that could be a mat for card. I think that's gonna be about a 4.5 by 5.5 maybe. Oops, sorry. And it's actually 4. So that could be a mat and 5 1/4. So that's the perfect size for an A2 card. And then that's what, there's 2 of each. No, there's 3 of each. And then there's that. So these could be the card, and I could just find some sentiments to actually use. I just think this paper and what it is just so pretty. And I love all the muted purples and pinks that are involved in it. So there are 3 of each one of those. And then there is also this doily, which I was surprised to see that. And so, okay, see, this can also be used. That's just part of the packaging, but that could be used as a on the card. But that doily is so soft. So, and we have one more item here, and this is what the box looks like inside, and it just says Your Creative Studio. Like I said, I will, and this tissue paper here, let me show you this tissue paper, guys. How cute is that tissue paper? This in itself, you know how I am about gift wrapping, and look to see this on some cards or something soon also. And last thing I'm going to show you is some stickers that they have included. And they are all vintage, like postage stamp size. And these are postage stamps, some of them. So anyway, so there's like the Eiffel Tower. This is in Italy. The Leaning Tower, well, that's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Statue of Liberty. So it's kind of like a travel theme for these stickers. Parcel post, postage stamps, travel stickers. Yeah, so I can't wait to play around with some of these. And then there are animals. Everything is vintage, guys. If you like vintage, go by and check them out. Stay tuned. I will be doing some projects using these, and I can't wait to get started. And I can see using these in my traveler's notebooks because they are the perfect size. And like I said, stay tuned, and I will be back with an actual video showing some of the projects. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.